Okay, we're doing exercise 12b, looking at area between two curves, the area bounded. Let's do example 6. Find the area bounded between the parabola y equals x squared and the line y equals 2x. One of the first things you'd probably want to do is look at graphing it. You can use your graphic calculator, or for something simple like this, you could probably just do it straight off. Y equals x squared is going to look like that, your straight parabola. Y equals 2x, it's going to look like that. So we're looking at finding this area bounded between the two lines, or two curves. We need to know intersection points. Obviously, it's going to intersect, we can see from the graph at 0, 0, but we need to find this point here, we need to know. So we want to find when they intersect. So we're going to have x squared equals 2x. That's going to be x squared equals 2x 0. If I factorise, I get my answers at x was 0 or x is 2. Just showing us that x is 0 is one of our possibilities, and this is x is 2. We need the two x values because they're our bounds for our integration. So our area is going to be the integration from 0 to 2. We then look at which equation, which curve is on top. The line is on top of the curve. So when we write it, the line is on top of the curve, we take it away. So this is essentially the top, and this is the bottom. So you do top take bottom, dx, integrate that out. That'll be 2x squared on 2 minus x cubed on 3 between 0 and 2. Obviously that's going to be x squared minus x cubed on 3 between 0 and 2. I'm just going to write that here. Sub in the 2, we get 2 squared minus 2 cubed on 3. Then we sub in the 0, of course, that's just going to be 0. So 4 take 8 on 3, which will be, well, let's make it 12 on 3, take 8 on 3, 4 on 3 units squared. So that was a very straightforward area. Let's go on to something that's a little bit more complicated. Example 7. We've got two curves and two straight lines. So again, the first thing you want to do is graph it. If you've got your graphic calculator, you can do that. Y equals x squared plus 1 is going to look like that. Y equals 4 take x squared is going to look like that. And then we want from x equals negative 1 to x equals 1. So we want this area here. So to work out my area, I'm going to go from negative 1 to 1. Now I'm going to calculate it as one area. Remembering the thing with area is we need to be careful if the graph goes below the x-axis. For this one, everything is above the x-axis, so we can just do it as one hit. Now the top curve, our top curve is the 4 take x squared. Take away our bottom curve, x squared plus 1. So again, it's the top over the bottom. So integrate that, that'll be 4x minus x cubed on 3 minus x cubed on 3 minus x from negative 1 to 1. It's then just a case of substituting in your 1 and substituting in your negative 1, getting an answer of 14 on 3 units squared. Thank you.